Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something that's been pretty highly requested on Instagram, so I figured I'd do a whole video on the topic, and it is how I extend my wash time. So my hair doesn't really get very oily or greasy. I wash my hair about once every 4, sometimes even 5 days. Without having it feel absolutely disgusting, because I can't stand gross feeling hair. So as soon as it starts feeling gross is like when I need to wash it. So even at the 5-day mark, my hair still doesn't feel gross, but I'm just like, okay, it's time to wash it, you know? And the way I've been able to do that is just by implementing a few tips and tricks. So I'm going to share my secrets with you guys. Okay, so here's a little backstory. I go to Orange Theory, which is a very intense workout. I do that every single day. And so when I get home, I'm like drenched in sweat, right? So you would think that I would have to wash my hair every day. And I think that's why so many people request me to like talk more about how I extend my wash time, is because like I go to Orange Theory and they're like, how do you go 5 days without washing your hair? And it's honestly like, it obviously takes some time for you to kind of build up to that. So before, back in the day, I used to wash my hair every day. My hair was getting really dry. There was just so many benefits to extending your wash time. And the simple fact is you want to keep the natural oils in your hair so that your hair is nourished and not dry and dehydrated. So it's really key. And also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but my hair doesn't get oily anymore. So even like 5 days into not washing my hair still does not feel greasy. And yes, I do use dry shampoo. That's like kind of a trick that I do. Okay, so a few tips and tricks. Before a workout, spray your roots with dry shampoo. And by doing this, you're kind of prepping your scalp to absorb all of the oils and the sweat. And so like once you're done with your workout, you'll notice that your roots are still dry. It's crazy. Just try it. Trust me. It's a total game changer. So I'll spray my roots with the dry shampoo before a workout, and then after a workout, I'll do a full body shower. And then if I feel like I need like an extra boost, then I'll apply a little bit more dry shampoo. Now with all of this being said and done, daily dry shampoo on your scalp can cause a lot of buildup, and scalp health is so important. It's something that I kind of neglected for so long, but being in quarantine, you kind of have to figure out ways to get by, make your hair feel nice and healthy. And my like signature thing is my hair. My hair is so important to me, and because I'm like always taking photos and doing Instagram stories and like on camera, my hair has to look good. Next, you want to take a look at the products that you're using. Are your products causing your hair to be weighed down? Are they adding a ton of buildup? And are they contributing to this oily feeling? And there was a few shampoos that I've used in the past that I swear they made my hair, just like when you touch your scalp in the back, I just felt like it was so heavy and it had a ton of buildup, and I had just gotten out of the shower. So that just tells me that certain shampoos and conditioners are gonna leave more like a residue in my hair, and so you want to cut those out and start looking for products that are gonna actually clean your hair and not like add more residue to it, if that makes sense. And my third trick is Scalp Scrub. So this is something that I recently discovered. I want to say like the beginning of quarantine is when I discovered scalp scrubs, and they are a total game changer. So the best feeling ever when you're getting your hair done at a salon is when they're like shampooing your hair and like giving you a really nice scalp massage. It's the best feeling ever. And then when you go home after you leave the salon, you wonder why it's been like a week and I haven't washed my hair, but my hair still looks good. How is that possible? So I came to the conclusion that it must be just like they're vigorously like scrubbing your scalp. And so that's why I wanted to talk to you guys about this range of products. They are specifically designed to target the scalp and make sure that your hair is left feeling clean without residue and just refreshed. So I do want to mention that this video is sponsored by Nexxus. Of course, all opinions are my own. They sent me the products. They wanted me to just share my opinion on them, what's worked for me, what doesn't work for me. So all opinions are my own. So the line of products is called their Clean and Pure line. There's a shampoo, a conditioner, and of course my holy grail product is a scalp scrub. If you don't already use a scalp scrub, run and buy one and just try it. And I want you to leave a comment and let me know what you think, because once I started using a scalp scrub, I noticed that I can go even longer without washing my hair. My hair does not get as oily and greasy and just like gross. And most importantly, my hair just feels so much cleaner after getting out of the shower. And that's so important for being able to extend your wash time, is by just giving your scalp a really nice scalp massage, a nice scrub, getting all of the dirt, oil, impurities, everything off of it, and just like starting off with a new clean slate for the new week of not washing your hair. Because when your scalp already has residue from last week on it and you get out of the shower and you style your hair, you're not going to feel that it's been cleaned properly and you're going to want to wash it again. So just try a scalp scrub and I guarantee you it's going to change your life. So this is the one that I've been loving. It is part of their Clean and Pure line, which means that it does not contain any sulfates, any parabens, any dyes. And the reason why especially sulfates are so important is because my hair color cost me a pretty penny, okay? It's really important for me to protect my investment and make sure that my color looks great. Just got my hair done maybe like 2 weeks ago, but my last balayage appointment before that was in September. So it had been about 10 months since I even gotten my hair colored. And if you follow me on Instagram, my hair color always looks pretty good. And so that just tells you that the products that I use on my hair do not strip my color. They help protect my investment. And it's so important to me because hair color is not cheap. So really important that you use good products on your hair that are not going to strip your color. And sulfates is just that one ingredient that you always have to look for. I do not use anything that has sulfates in my hair. Let me kind of walk you through how I use this system. So I first start off with getting my hair a little bit wet, and then I'll apply a good amount of this scalp scrub on my fingertips and just like work it through my scalp. And I'll take that time to really like get in there, massage the heck out of my scalp. It's super relaxing and it kind of makes you feel like you're in a salon without actually being in a salon, because we're all in quarantine and I just got word that salons and everything has to close again. So we're on quarantine. This is just a really nice way to kind of like treat yourself. I do this once a week, and let me know if you guys want me to do a full like washing day routine where I walk you through all of the steps that I do once a week. But I always start off with the scalp scrub and, like I said, massage it thoroughly. And then when you're washing it out, you'll right off the bat immediately feel that your hair just feels so much cleaner, that your scalp is actually getting clean. It's wild. It is such a satisfying feeling. My favorite part about this product is when you wash it out, the product actually comes off of your hair. So there's been a few other scrubs that I've used in the past, and I feel like they don't come out of my hair completely, but this completely washes out of your hair. So you're not going to be left with a residue from this either. Then I go in with the shampoo and, of course, conditioner. And these are part of the Protein Fusion line. They contain elastin, which is a protein. And elastin just helps to keep your hair feeling nourished and not stripped, not dry or dehydrated. And so I'll go in with a good shampoo. I just shampoo once, rinse out, and then apply the conditioner, and then I'll put my hair in like a top knot, and then I'll do like the rest of my body wash and wash my face and all of that. And then at the very end, I wash out the conditioner, and right off the bat, after your first time using this, you're gonna notice after washing your hair that it feels so clean, but it doesn't feel stripped, it doesn't feel dry or dehydrated or anything like that. And that's because of the elastin protein that's in here. It's really gonna protect your hair. So overall, I absolutely love this line. I love the fact that it's clean, that it doesn't contain dyes, parabens, or sulfates. I also love that this line is salon quality, but it's readily available. You can get it at a ton of drugstores. I'll put a link in the description so you can purchase it if you want. But it's not one of those things that you have to purchase from a salon. And with salons being closed, I feel like it's extra important to be able to access salon quality hair care at an affordable cost. So it's not going to break the bank. Also, let's just mention the packaging really quick. I'm all about aesthetics, and this is a line that you want to like look at in your shower, so I love the packaging. I just had to mention that. And my last tip is to use a scalp massager. So what I like to do is I'll apply some of this to my fingers, put it in my hair, and then I'll go in with my little scalp massager and I'll just massage the product into my hair. And I feel like this way it gets more evenly distributed in my scalp. And also the scalp massager is just, it feels amazing on the scalp. So that's like a little trick that I like to add on to. Alright, so those are all the tips that I have. That's how I extend my wash time. Let me know if you guys want to see a full hair washing day routine showing all of my products, how I use them, that sort of thing. I can definitely do something like that if you guys are interested. But I hope this was helpful. Let me know what you guys think. Do you use a scalp scrub, or do you have any other products that you'd recommend to extend your wash time? Because I'm always looking for new things to try too. Don't forget to like if you liked this video and if you thought that it was helpful. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Check me out on Instagram. I post content on there every single day. And yeah, links for everything will be down in the description box. And I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.